In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post something quietly so that your friends or followers wouldn't receive a message or notification when you post something. And the first step is to click on the plus icon and to actually post something. In my case, I'm going to post a post. Then I'm going to choose a post from my library, click on next right here, and next again. Then we're going to scroll down here a little bit till we find this option which is called audience. We're going to click on that and we're going to choose to close friends only, and you have to remove everyone that's in the close friends so that nobody is in the close friends option, and you're just going to enable this, and then you're going to post the post as friends, close friends only, and because nobody is in there, nobody will get a notification. And after you have posted the post, you can just click on this little green star where it says close friends, and you can edit all your friends in your close friends list so that basically everyone can see the post, but they didn't get a notification before. I hope this video was useful to you.